Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing, installation guide, and review of NuVending's brand new NuCharger Auto. It's a phone holder with a wireless charger built in. It's got a couple really cool features about it. If you look here, it says it's a wireless charger. It's got an infrared sensor, so it knows when you put your phone over it, and it will open up these arms. It's really cool. It kind of startled me the first time I triggered it. And then it's got a motor which pushes these out. Got a couple different mounting methods. There's a suction cup one, and there's also a vent clip for it. Its input, output, and charging efficiency is here if you want to take a look. And there is a quick note here: you need a Qualcomm quick charge adapter for fast wireless charging. Yes, this does support fast wireless charging. So jumping into the box, get some literature that jumps out at us. Shows you the breakdown of the charger here, and then it shows you how to install it in your car, and I'll show you how to do that later in this video. Then you get the NuVending catalog. You get a little box under the plastic. We'll take a look at this first. And inside of it you get your vent clip adapter, as well as a split cable. So on one end you have your USB type A, and then on the other you have a lightning head, a micro USB head, and a USB Type-C head. And then we're going to take a look at the suction cup. So this is for either mounting it on your dashboard or on your windshield or whatever you want to put it on. We'll put that there, and then let's take a look at the charger itself. I'll move the plastic off to the side because we don't need that. So here's the charger. Your arms are here. You have your IR sensor here. You got a couple lights here that will tell you if it's charging or not. You've got your adapter for the two different attachments. You just put them on and screw them in. Position it how you want. Screw it in, tighten it. And then it stays like that, and then you just put it in your vent or on your windshield or dashboard or wherever you want to put it. You have your Qualcomm quick charge supporting USB-C input, and then this little metal pad right here, this is a capacitive button. So if you want to release your phone after you put it in here, you just tap on that and these arms will come out, which I'll show you in a second. I'm just going to plug everything in. I'm going to show you real quick how you install it to the arm. You just put the ball in the socket, and then you screw this little thing around it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Too early for this. Position it how you want, and then you go around back, screw it in. That way it doesn't move. And there you go. Alright, so I've got it plugged in, and I'll just show you real quick. If I move my finger over the sensor, it opens and closes. So if I take my iPhone and I put it over the sensor, and it starts charging, and this is fast charging because I have it plugged into a Qualcomm adapter. To release it, you just tap this metal button on the side, the arms come out, take out your phone, let go, and the arms go back in. Now this works with a bunch of different phones. Right here I have a couple. I have a iPhone 6 dressed in the NuCharger G3000, so I'm just gonna slide that in, and it starts charging. I also have a iPhone 7 Plus dressed in a NuCharger G5000. If I put that on, it starts charging. And then to release it, I just tap the metal, take the phone out, and the arms close. And now I'm going to take you guys downstairs to the car, where I'll put in the vent clip, show you how that works. So I'll see you guys down there. Alright, so I'm here in my car now. I apologize if the lighting's not super great or if my hand's a little shaky. Here I have the NuCharger Auto on the vent clip, and you just pinch in this little bit right here. You pinch that in, and then you stick it into the vent like that. I'm going to switch hands here. I apologize if this video quality is horrible. And it sits something like that. Alright, and now I've got it plugged in, so if I tap on the side, it'll open and then eventually close, and I'll do the same if I do that. because I'm shooting on my iPhone 10 here, I've got the other iPhones equipped in their new charger cases, so if I slide that in, eventually it'll take, hopefully. Oh, it's telling me it's not charging, okay. And once I put it into the charger, see it's charging. And if I press this little metal button, take it off, it stops charging, and it closes. Now I'm going to try to do this with the 6. And for some reason it's yelling at me saying that it's not going to charge. But you get the idea. You stick it in your vent, you plug it in, and then you just put your phone on it. And then it does that. And does it again. So once again, I apologize for the terrible video quality and potentially terrible sound quality. I'm gonna go back up to my studio, finish the rest of this video, and hopefully that'll be rectified. I'll see you guys there. So there you guys have it. That's the unboxing installation of the NuVending NuCharger Auto. I'll have links for this down in the description below. Go check it out. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, as well as turning on notifications so that way you get notified whenever I upload the next video. It's been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.